Today we are going to talk about some tips to create better facial symmetry. We are not born with perfectly symmetrical faces. Similarly, we are not born with asymmetrical faces either. Sometimes it is your lifestyle mistakes that can cause asymmetry in your face. Who knew that? Mostly there are multiple mistakes that you're making in your youth, but you'll realize later in life how it can completely change your face as you're aging, especially in your 30s and then in 40s and 50s. It just keeps changing with time. But guess what? You can change the reasons that are causing this asymmetry in your face. So I'm not going to cause any further delay. Here are the 5 mistakes that you could be making even today, followed by 5 fixes to start creating better symmetry in your face. Welcome to Blush with me. So number 1, how many of you are used to chewing gum? I'm not going to raise my hand because I stopped doing this a while ago. And the reason is that when you chew gum, you engage in one side of your jaw muscles. When you chew, you don't just chew for a few minutes, you chew for multiple hours. And when you chew gum every day, you will notice that over a period of time, that one side of your face will look a lot more chiseled and it'll look very different from the other side of your face. So clearly, if you chew gum or chew on anything for a long time, it will benefit in reshaping your jawline. Who doesn't want that masseter muscle, a chiseled jawline? But please avoid chewing gum because this is a habit. And once you develop that habit, it's hard to shift the side where you chew your gum from. And notice it is not possible to split a gum in 2 halves and chew on both sides equally. Impossible. So instead of chewing gum, eat carrots, coconuts, fennel seeds, or cardamom. All of these take much longer to chew than regular food. And they have some amazing health benefits and benefits for your skin too. For instance, coconut is a good fat. And when you start chewing it, you will realize it's not easy to finish chewing on one piece of coconut within a few seconds. It takes a few minutes. So as my evening snack, I eat a bowl of coconut sometimes. 1, it is an amazing healthy fat which we all need in our diet to maintain more supple, dewy, youthful skin. 2, it is fibrous, so it is good for your gut and cleaning out your system. 3, you can engage both sides of your face, your mouth, your jaw muscles to chew coconut. You'll realize by the time you're done eating just a couple of pieces of coconut, your jaw will be on fire, guaranteed. For those of you who crave sugar, coconut is again a fabulous option because it has that natural sweetness to it. So I don't crave for candies or cupcakes when I eat coconut. Try it, it really works. And last but not the least, it is very filling. So if you just have 4 to 5 small pieces of coconut, you will feel full for at least a couple of hours. Some of the other options I gave were carrot, cardamom, or fennel seeds. All of these take much longer to chew on, and carrot again is fibrous, so great for your gut. So is fennel seed and cardamom. Fennel seed and cardamom are also great mouth fresheners. They have this really nice natural fragrance to it, so you don't need chewing gum for any reason at all. It's very easy to keep a small bottle of fennel seeds or cardamom in your handbag wherever you're going and just pop 1 cardamom in your mouth. It works great as a chewing gum because it takes much longer to chew on it. It is extremely fibrous and you can easily split it into both sides of your jaw or mouth to chew. So get rid of your chewing gum, and here comes my point number 2. Avoid sleeping on one side and develop the habit to sleep on your back. So if you are used to sleeping on your face or even on your side, avoid it and develop the habit to sleep on your back. At this point, I want to introduce you to Ola Pillow by Sleep and Glow. Clearly, if you notice that my head is sinking into the pillow and it is so high on the sides that I can barely even hear myself. So look at me. Now, this pillow is designed to help you sleep on your back. It literally trains your body to sleep on its back. Notice its special anatomical design that supports your neck and back. It has the side head support that helps you sleep on your back the whole night. That's why it is called anti-aging training pillow that promotes sleeping on your back. And if you have watched my other videos, then you know that it is very important to sleep on your back facing up to avoid any kind of sleep wrinkles on your face. Most of us who become used to sleeping on one side, we get used to sleeping on any one side, right? Either right or left. So if I used to sleep mostly on my right hand side, I noticed a lot more puffiness on one side of my face, more squishing and tugging on one side of my face, which means you see a lot more wrinkles on one side of your face. If your lips tug and squish, you will also notice asymmetry in your lips, including even the vertical lines of your lips appearing far more on one side than the other. Sleeping on one side also causes more hair loss in your lashes and your eyebrows. You didn't know that, did you? More crow's feet, more forehead wrinkling, more squishing and tugging of delicate eye muscles. And although a lot of us understand the importance of sleeping on our back, it is hard to train your body naturally to sleep on your back. I mean, how do you train yourself to sleep on your back once you fall asleep? That is why I think this all-up pillow by Sleep and Glow is a wonderful invention. It has this super soft memory foam, which again supports your neck and face without squishing and tugging when you're trying to sleep on your side, but these sides don't let you. It has this eucalyptus fiber pillowcase that it comes with, and it also comes with an extra internal foam layer if you want to add more height to this pillow. So you can say that this pillow is totally customized to your lifestyle. Thank you Sleep and Glow for sponsoring this part of the video. So the all-up pillow is one of the other anti-age pillows from Sleep and Glow. I have talked about sleep wrinkles and anti-age pillow benefits for sleep wrinkles. I will link all these videos up there, but here comes your point number 3. So for tip number 3, if you drive a lot, then double up on your sunscreen on the side where the sun hits you the most. One part of your face is exposed more to sun, it will age faster. You will have more wrinkles, more dryness, more itchiness, more redness, and overall sun damage. So over a period of time, you will notice that that part of your face will look very different from the other side of your face. So like I said earlier, double up on your sunscreen. Make sure to reapply sunscreen on that part of your face, especially every 60 to 90 minutes. Here's a trick if you don't know how to reapply sunscreen under your makeup. How can you do that? There are a lot of setting sprays that are used to set your makeup. They now come with SPF 50 or more. So just spray that regularly throughout the day if you spend time outdoors. This way your skin will always be protected. And over a period of time, someday when you notice that your face is symmetrical, you will thank Blush With Me, Parmita, Parmita, Parmita. Tip number 4. If you have been watching my video, then you know I am a strong believer in face yoga. So how can I not tell you to do face yoga to create better face symmetry? When you overuse one side of your face more than the other, your face muscles in those parts tend to weaken with time. And no amount of creams or serums can help you create that symmetry back in your face. But face yoga can totally help you. Face yoga can strengthen the muscles that are weakening with time. So if you notice that one side of your face has started looking different from the other, say for instance, if your lips look thinner, then there are face yoga exercises to strengthen that part of your face. If you notice more wrinkles on one side of your forehead or your laugh lines or whatever asymmetry you notice, there is a solution to work on those muscles to create better symmetry. For those of you who are interested in understanding how to create better facial symmetry, then you can click on the link below this video to get access to my complete package to create facial symmetry. It has step-by-step techniques to understand where your face needs extra help to create that symmetry. It has face exercises, facial massage techniques, and the correct form to do every exercise and precaution to perform all these exercises by yourself. I strongly recommend that you perform these exercises for the first few times in front of the mirror so you know the form as I have guided you in the video. because supervision is must and you get a chance to become your own supervisor when you're doing these exercises yourself watching my videos. Also, don't forget to take your before and after images every 4 to 8 weeks. And don't forget to email these images to me on my website. You can work with me one-on-one so I can customize your face yoga workout routine. I also host group face yoga sessions. You can find all that information and dates on my website. And here is your last tip before you go. Understand your lifestyle. Pay a little bit of attention to what you do on a regular basis that causes asymmetry. For instance, do you talk with your one eyebrow up? You will notice that you start developing these horizontal forehead lines over a period of time, and those lines won't even be even. You will have a certain shape because this eyebrow keeps moving up. Notice if you smirk like this on one side, then you will develop more lines on one side of your face. You will notice that your laugh line will be deeper on one side than the other. If you bite your lips when you're nervous, then you will notice that will also cause asymmetry on your lips. If you smoke from one side of your mouth, again, that will cause more asymmetry in your face. While sitting on your desk at work, if you put all your weight on one hand, of course, you will notice your symmetry different on one side of your face than the other. So there are multiple lifestyle mistakes that could be causing asymmetry in your face. So like I said right in the beginning, sometimes it just takes fixing some of the mistakes that can give you a better symmetrical face. So I hope you will start making these changes, and I will be back with another interesting video. So let me know what facial muscles do you want to strengthen next with me. If you post any pictures after performing my face yoga exercises, please don't forget to use the hashtag #BlushWithMeFaceYoga so I can see them too. I have created a playlist of all my face yoga videos. Do check them out. If you enjoy my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon you see next to the subscribe button. Don't leave without hitting that like button and share this video with your loved ones. Do look me up on Instagram and Facebook fan page. I will be here next week with yet another video that is requested by none other than you. Until then, symmetrical smile, blush with me.